something about you turns me to a savage.
What's up, fellas? Today I'm playing Totally Accurate Battle Simulator, and I'm going to show you how to make Gandalf. So first you want to go to custom content, let this load up here, and then you want to go to this unit looking thing. So I've created a bunch of units here, but I'm going to make a new unit. Now this is going to be Gandalf. So for the weapon at the moment, I want to get the staff, I believe. Staff. No, staff. Magic, maybe? So I'm actually looking for, so I have to go down here to, not Spoopy, Legacy, right. Down here, wizard staff, there we go. You shall not pass. And also, I want to get, the wizard sword. Now, this weapon here, I would like to, okay, I can't really change the side of it, can I? Right, so, abilities. Let's see here. So, if you guys want me to add abilities, please let me know. So, ooh, that seems like something I might like. Lightning, maybe, like someone's lightning. What else could Gandalf do? Gandalf the White. I'm not actually sure here, guys. Please help me out here if you do find anything interesting. Let me know in the comment section. Arrow volley. Aha. That's something. Right, well, let's test the unit out here and see how it fares. Oh God, no. Gandalf. Oh yeah, that was definitely worth it. Gandalf. Okay, how do I stop this? As you've seen there, Gandalf did quite a fight. Legacy Impale, let's see, okay. So, I'm pretty happy with his stats at the moment. I'm going to give him a handful more hit points. His size. Yes, he is a deadly tall man. Yes. Gandalf has to do a lot of damage, you know. Gandalf the Great. He has to do a lot of damage here. So I'm going to do 1,000 damage. Oh wait, no, wrong one. 10. This one, oh no. That is not good enough. He needs more power. Now, let's test the unit out here. Skadaboosh! Oh! You shall not pass! Now, this is a weapon. Oh my god, Gandalf. Gandalf the Great has wiped them all out. Now, he must be given his hair. Where's the fantasy hair? I want to get some fantasy hair in this place. Fantasy, Spoopy. Fantasy. Oh, Legacy, sorry. Gandalf, haha, that's Gandalf for ya. Nope, wrong one. Gandalf. So, as we all know, he may not be the the best at clothing, but he is one of the greatest of them all. I'm going to give him a fancy shirt and some legs. That's a good idea. Oh. Okay. I'm going to do wristbands first. Never mind. Whoop. Okay, so, wristbands. You know what? No one cares about wristbands. Let's add some feetsies. And, that's gonna go for Gandalf the Great. Legs, probably. Gandalf the Great shall be equipped with that. Now, and they shall fight! The wizard versus the Brew victory, Gandalf won. Yep, the answer is the wizard did it. Let's see how Gandalf the Great can do against an ice giant now then. The legendary ice giant versus Gandalf. You know what, I'm going to make this a little bit more even. Gandalf and Gandalf versus ice giant. Thou shalt smite... You cannot beat Gandalf the Great. Right, let's see how we can do against an army of elves. Maybe the elves have an advantage or something. I hope the elves can win here. The elves and their archers versus one Gandalf. Bap, 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 bap. Oh no, Gandalf! Oh, phew. Aha! You shall not pass. Yeah, I may have added some spiky spikes, but, well, it's somewhat magic, so, bap, 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 bap. And finally, we have to try the dwarfs. The dwarf army of the Middle Ages, shall we say. I'm just gonna give them a whole lot of barbarians. How's that? Yeah. And their leader. Alright, no, wrong one. Needs to be the Jarl. The Jarl. But of course, Gandalf would win. Gandalf the Great. Yeah, Gandalf the Great is a bit overpowered, isn't he? Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see ya in the next one. Toodles!